Alright, so once I removed the shell here, like you saw in that previous video, you can see that the ESC is up here. The battery looks pretty good, and I'm not sure what this is for. Feels like there's an extra bit just hanging loose there, and I don't know what to do with it. What is it for? It's connected to the battery, but the battery is supposed to charge with this one, so, and it connects with that thing, so that's weird. That's the strangest configuration I've ever seen. Anyway, let's turn this on. I wonder if it turns on like that. There we go. Turned on. Let's turn on the vehicle. Where's that button again? Okay, oh, there's a little switch there. Wow. It looks like it's tuned and it will go straight right out of the box, hopefully. Let me see. Oh boy. This is fast. Right out of the box, this is super fast. And it goes straight. I'm a little disappointed in one thing on both cars. For some strange reason, on both cars, I did not get drift tires. They're not even part of the kit or anything like that. So on both vehicles, I would say that this one here is better in many different ways, although it's like half the price. and that is pretty crazy, because this has suspension forward and back. This one only has suspension in the front, and it's not very good suspension. It's not oil suspension. The back does not have proper suspension. You can see here 2 batteries. Even if they're Duracell, you won't get that much runtime. And this comes with the LiPo. This is a nice chassis here. Metal, feels like. And these suspensions, they feel pretty premium considering how small this thing is. Good tires, you know, decent arm links and all that. Again, it comes very well set up from the factory. This one, I had to really steer it to the all over here because it kept going to the right. So it feels like on this one, usually I'm a huge fan of Kyosho. You see, this is the transmitter for this one, and this is a proper like hobby grade one for this one. And what is it called? I always get. See, I think it's an Wltoys. Wltoys. So this is one of those strange situations where you're like, one company, the Chinese company here, did all of the work that they put. Okay, let's redo this video.